Hello friends, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannada. Now today's your topic is transient current. Now in transient current, your first article is growth and decay of current in LR circuit. This LR circuit means the circuit which contain L means inductance and R means resistance. Now this circuit has a resistance capital R and self inductance L connected in series with a battery of EMF. There is always a resistance R associated with the inductance. This is not shown but is lumped together with R. On closing switch S, the current initially reaches a value of E upon R immediately. If the inductance were not there, an inductance L gives rise to opposing EMF, which is E is equal to minus of L di by dt. Therefore, the current does not rise abruptly but takes some time to reach the steady value. I0 is equal to E upon R, where I is the current in the circuit at any instant of time. Voltage across R is given by I into R, which is equal to V of R. Then voltage across inductance L is given by L into di by dt, which is equal to VL, that is voltage across inductance L. Then applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, that is total voltage minus voltage across resistance and voltage across inductance must be equal to 0. Therefore, E minus IR minus of L di by dt, which is equal to 0. From this, E is equal to IR plus L into di by dt, or E minus IR is equal to L into di by dt. Therefore, di upon E minus IR is equal to dt by L. Now integrating both sides of this equation, we get minus of 1 upon R log of E minus IR is equal to T upon L plus C1, where log of N is a log, where C1 is a constant of integration and can be evaluated from initial conditions, that is minus of 1 upon R log of at t is equal to 0 and I is equal to 0. Substitute value of t and I in this equation, we get C1 is equal to minus of R upon minus of 1 upon R log of E. Substituting this value of C1, we get minus of 1 upon R log of E minus IR, which is equal to T upon capital L minus 1 upon R log of E. Therefore, this value E is equal to 1 upon R log of E minus IR minus of R 1 upon R log of E minus T upon L. Taking log common, log of 1 minus I R upon E, which is equal to minus of R upon L into T, or I is equal to E upon R 1 minus e to the power minus R upon L raised to T. I0 is equal to E upon R. Therefore, I is equal to I0 in bracket 1 minus e to the power RT upon L. Therefore, it is seen that as t is tending to infinite, I reaches steady value. That is, this is a graph of t, that is t which is tending to infinite, then I becomes maximum value. That is I is equal to I0, and tau is equal to L upon R, which is called as time constant of the circuit. We can calculate work done on the establishing the current, and this work done is given by 1 upon 2 Li square. This energy is stored in the magnetic field produced by inductance around it when current I passes through it. Then this is a growth of the current. Now next is decay of the current. Now in this circuit, if the switch is put off after the current in the circuit attains a steady value, the EMF applied to the circuit is 0. Therefore, the current decreases and the inductor set up back EMF opposing the decay of the current. The voltage equation for this condition is at instant t is VR plus VL is equal to 0. Therefore, IR plus L into di by dt is equal to 0. Therefore, L into di by dt is equal to minus of IR, or di upon I, which is equal to minus of R upon L into dt. Now integrating both sides, we get I is equal to minus of R upon L into T plus C2 instead of C1. Here C2 is equal to constant of integration. Now initially P at T is equal to 0, I is equal to I0, and now substitute this value, we get C2 is equal to log of I0. Now substitute this value of C2 in above equation, we get log of I is equal to minus of R upon L into T plus, instead of C2 it is log of I0. Therefore, log of I upon I0 is equal to minus of R upon L into T. Therefore, I is equal to I0 e to the power minus R upon L raised to T. Therefore, at t is equal to infinite, I is equal to 0. That is, t is equal to L upon R, I is equal to I0 e to the power minus 1, which is equal to 1 upon e to the power I0, which is equal to 0.37 I0. Now, therefore, the time constant can be defined as the time for which the current in the circuit reaches to 37% of its steady value during the decay. Now this is the graph of decay of the current. Now this graph is exponentially decay. Now these are the some graphs which shows this is the graph of x versus current I. This is e to the power x, that is growth. This is decay, that is e to the power minus x. This is decay of 1 minus e to the power x, and this is 1 minus e to the power minus x, which is a growth. Now this is growth and decay in LR circuit, that is